Hello there! I'm Hope from the Philippines, and I've been an ESL teacher for almost 4 years. My experience has allowed me to teach a variety of students, including children and adults. I'm always dedicated to making my lessons interesting, interactive, and informative. Aside from teaching, I also have a passion for dancing, acting, and singing too.
Wow.
I believe that incorporating my love for the arts into my lessons can make them more engaging and enjoyable for my students. So, whether you're looking to improve your English for work, study, or travel, I'm here to help. So don't worry, don't hesitate to book a class with me, and let's start working towards your language goals together. See you in my class!